Now VirtualBox is completely free, and I will actually show you how to install it right now. So if you just Google VirtualBox, download, and click either on the first download link or go to download, as you wish. It's the same thing. I'm going to click on the first link. Now you'll have to install the version of VirtualBox that is compatible with your system. So for example, if you're running Windows, you will install this version of VirtualBox. If you're running OS X or for Mac users, you will have to install this version. And if you're running Linux, you will have to install this version. Now installing VirtualBox is very easy, and all you have to do is just double click the installer and click next, and you'll have it installed. And I actually have it already installed in here. And in the next lectures, I will show you how to install Kali Linux and Windows 10 as a virtual machine on VirtualBox. And we will be talking about why we are using these two machines specifically.